Friends, dig into your hidden talent. We all have something to offer to this world. We have certain talents, certain natural skills, certain abilities. The question is, are we tapping deep into that? I read a few words for you. I know quite certainly that I myself have no special talent. Curiosity, obsession, and dogged endurance combined with self-criticism have brought me to my ideas. Can you guess whose words are these? Albert Einstein. See, there are occasions where we feel we are not getting adequately rewarded. You need to ask yourself, have you exploited your talent to the optimum? Are you in the right platform, first of all? While I say this, I recall an old story I read. There was a beggar on the streets of London, and he will stand with his hat in the hand. He will not ask for anything. If something is dropped into his hat, he will collect it. Every day he will come, morning till evening he will be there. Years rolled by. 25, 30, 40 years he was standing like that. He almost became a landmark in that area. One day he died because of old age. But he has become such a landmark in that area that people missed him in that place. So they wanted to erect a statue just like him and install in the place where he was standing. So the members of the society contributed, made a statue, and they were digging to install that statue. Hardly 3-4 feet below exactly where he was standing, there was an old pot, mud pot. When they opened it, they found gold coins, maybe buried hundreds and hundreds of years ago. This beggar, without knowing that just underneath his feet there was a treasure, he was begging all his life. Many of us are also like that. We have talent, we need to seek an opportunity. So the words of Einstein, some of the words are very, very important. What is that you need? Curiosity, obsession, and dogged endurance combined with self-criticism. With this approach, you take a look at your talent. Take a look at where you are working. And do not be satisfied until and unless you exploit it. For example, if you are a writer, are you writing to your optimum capacity? Are you writing for the best of the magazines? If you are a dancer, are you dancing to your optimum capacity? Are you in the right platform? If you are a singer, are you in the right platform? Ask these questions and deeply dig into your talent. See you tomorrow.